J.K. Rowling wrote, "Autumn seemed to arrive suddenly that year. The morning of the 1st September was crisp and golden as an apple." Let me tell you about a very different kind of an apple. Wax apple, also known as Java apple or Jambul, is a tropical and subtropical plant grown in Southeast Asia. The sweet and crispy fruits are mainly reddish pink in color. Their bell shape is quite unique. It is a very tall evergreen tree that can grow up to 30 feet or even more than that. However, smaller ones are also found. We have planted here two flourishing plants with intentions of keeping them at low height and making them flower in time. There is one in a grow bag in the backyard. It can be cultivated in a wide variety of soils. Keep the soil moist as it requires a lot of water. Look how we provided drip irrigation for them. Make sure to give it enough space to grow. You will need to prune them when required. The fruits are eaten raw or used in salads. Despite its name, a ripe wax apple only resembles an apple on the outside in color. It does not taste like an apple, and it has neither the fragrance nor the density of an apple. Its flavor is similar to that of a snow pear, and the liquid to flesh ratio is comparable to that of a watermelon. In short, it is very crunchy. It is good for diabetes due to an alkaloid found in them called jambosine. They also prevent cancer and are great for digestion. They are good for bones and teeth due to the calcium present in them. My father enjoyed them during his childhood in Kolkata and plans to replicate it here. If we can do it, so can you. Go ahead and plant this amazing fruit in your garden. Trust me, you'll be super pleased when it blooms. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out mencanmakehomes.com for some great recipes. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and see you soon for much more to come.